This is the bread machine that I've been talking about. It's a Black & Decker, and it had been in the basement for a very long time, and I was like, what happened to that bread machine? And I pulled it out. I ordered some bread machine mix for Italian bread, and the first loaf came out really good, so I ordered another round of those, but I have some more. So there's 9 minutes left. It's on the basic bread setting, regular, and I'll show you what it looks like when I knock it out of here. I mean, this bread is so good. The bread comes in a mix kit like this from Prepared Pantry, and basically all you do is heat 1 3/4 cups water to 80 degrees. Use a thermometer. Add the water and the yeast into the bread machine, and then the flour. Bake using basic or white bread setting for your bread machine. Simple as that. And before you start, butter the inside of the part where all the mix goes, so it doesn't stick. Okay, so this just beeped. It's done. It took about 4 hours. I'll bang it out of here so you can check it out. It's got like a handle here. It's hot. You can pull it out. That's the part inside that turns, that mixes the bread. And here's the bread. I mean, it is just the best Italian bread. It is so good. Look at that. No fuss, no muss.